Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change direct deposit on UKG Pro app. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to the UKG app and enter your login credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see a 3 lines or a 3 dots option. Make sure to click on it. That is the menu icon. Once in here, you'll see an option for pay and then click on direct deposit. Once under direct deposit, you will be able to see your current bank info, and with the info you'll also see an edit icon. So click on edit, and now you can update your details like your account number, your routing number, or where your paycheck goes. Once done, click on save or submit, and the direct deposit will be changed. Also, if you want to add another account of a different bank, you can just click on the plus icon and then enter your new bank name, routing number, and also the account number. Then choose how much of your paycheck goes into that account and then save your changes. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.